1%. So we have given to the rural areas, to the district level, to the tehsil level, to the union council level, to ensure that if there is a load shedding, still these services are made available to the common people of Pakistan. One more comment on the connectivity was the right of way. I'm sure maybe the Minister Sahib comment on that government make a decision that the right of way, I think it is probably the first country in Asia that the right of way has been made zero from 36,000 rupees per kilometer per year. So these are the two landmarks. I think the government took the decision. To the industry, maybe my last comment is, I think whatever was possible to the government at the policy level, at the regulation level, at the execution, that has been done. By the government, by the honorable member sitting here, the ministers, the Senate Standing Committee, the National Assembly Standing Committee, everybody, I think the demands that were there, which were genuine in nature, they have been addressed. And I may be wrong, but you don't know tomorrow, if there's another action after 2 years, what will be the environment of that time. So now the ball is in your court, the industry. Because whatever was possible, that had been done for you. Now we are looking towards you, the industry. So no, I think it's an opportunity with you, with the wholehearted support of everybody sitting here and outside, because there were technical issues, there were financial issues, there were legal issues, all have been addressed. And even today, if still the industry is a bit reluctant, so maybe it's a bad day for all of us. So thank you so much everybody for joining us. And it's a very historic day, and hopefully we will have a success story and at the end of the day. Thank you so much.